boots on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey Dee, aka the Baby Knockout Goat. You've reached the home of the baby knockouts, where our baby knockouts knock out the stock market competition, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you once again for joining me. Today, we're going to talk about our bread and butter. We're going to talk about two potential stocks with discoveries that may get that early trend electricity of the baby knockout and just really go for it, ladies and gentlemen. They just may go for it. We'll talk about them here in a minute. But as you know, the scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author and a researcher. I put it in black and white so you have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, we've done over 300 videos on uranium dating back to 2019, 20, 21. We did a lot. We've done a lot. We've done a lot. And we've done a lot of research, ladies and gentlemen. This is my third uranium bull market, and I got it right this time. Great, great. I mean, when you're in early on these stocks and these stocks go up, we still have time. Others that got it right this time, let me tell you, some of the Hall of Famers, man, really have got it right. What about Shalom? What about Lisa? What about Dexter? What about Reggie? What about Kativa? Mark, Roderick, Gio, William, Terry, Solomon, Sean, Ronald, Ranisha, Gavin, Tabitha, Jimmy, Lawrence, Frank. What about Dwayne, Diego, Sam, Anthony, Amadou, Greg, Amit, Ron, Camille, Michael, Fabian, Gary, Edward, Keith, Hill, John, Ricky, Ron, Junior, Big, and Joseph. What about those guys? They got it right also. So we're on to something big, ladies and gentlemen. It's going to be a big trade. Right now, the spot price is about $90, just short of $90. And we're on our way with the long-term price. It's going up over 100, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to see up over 100, I believe, this year. So we'll see. We'll see, ladies and gentlemen. But without further ado, make sure you hit that like button, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. And let's take a look at two potential stocks here that can go really, really high because they have discoveries during a bull market, ladies and gentlemen. What better time to have a discovery than a bull market? Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey Dee, aka the Baby Knockout Goat. I want to thank you for joining me. Hit that thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, ladies and gentlemen. Thumbs up, like button. It helps the algorithm. We're a small group, and we try and stick together and try and help one another here, like we're doing here now. Saga Metals, ladies and gentlemen, recently had a discovery. We're talking in an area here, as you can see, this double mirror project, this property here. Yes, it you can get to it. It has a little infrastructure, winterized camp with refurbished dock, generator, and full camp facilities. So it it has a little infrastructure, and they can work in that area, ladies and gentlemen. They have. That's why I have a discovery. Usually, it's not too far from Aurora Energy Paladin's property, and also ATHA, one of ATHA's properties. Uh, Double Mer project. That's Saga Minerals, ladies and Saga Minerals. Saga Metals. You guys know I only do these once. I only do them once. If I make a mistake, I just make a mistake. Yeah, it is what it is, man. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart and see what it's doing now. You're looking at 43 cents USD, SAGMF there. Not bad, ladies and gentlemen. It has come back down and is testing its key moving averages, and hopefully it'll head back up after a brief stint going sideways here. The RSI is 39, so you really don't have that momentum that you need. But see, they have other critical minerals also. But our focus is going to be on uranium right now with them, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at another company here. The second company I want to show you is ATHA Energy. Now, ATHA Energy's been around for a little while. As you know, when I say a little while, a few years. As you know, we did a story on them when they decided to do a land grab up here and near the in the Athabasca and near the Athabasca Basin, around in that area. You know, in Thielen also we have the uh, uh, highest grade uranium in the world, all in all this area, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, this Angelac project is their primary project, ladies and gentlemen. That's their flagship project, in which they have a lot of, but they have other discoveries also in the area. So we will definitely follow them, put them on your watch list if you don't have them already. Full disclosure: we are a shareholder in ATHA. We've had ATHA for a little while, ladies and gentlemen, and it is we think it's going to be a good company. Uh, as far as it being good management, it's already, it's got money in the bank. Nothing really stands out for me as far as its numbers are concerned. You do have, they're showing, these are old numbers. They show cash on the books, 11.3 million, and they're showing very little debt, $395,000 in debt. So they are showing uh, signs that they aren't way out there and they aren't a crazy type company. Right now, they're doing what they have to do. Let's take a look at the share price here right now and see what's going on here. We're looking at the energy. We're looking at 61 cents, which is a decent price here. As you can see, we've gone up and we've come back, and we're riding right now the 48-day moving average or so. We've successfully tested, and we're headed back up. Watch ATHA Energy, ladies and gentlemen. Watch it closely. Like I said, we are shareholders in ATHA Energy, and it has done us very well, ladies and gentlemen. ATHA has been uh, on target for us. Let's take a little recap here. Why are these baby knockouts? You can On the TSX SAGMF, on the over the counter SAGMF, and Saga SAGA on the Toronto Stock Exchange, on the Venture Exchange. Why, ladies and gentlemen? They have a brand new large tonnage uranium system across an 18-kilometer mineralized trend. They have three discovery zones. Surface assays are good. They have radiometric peak real high. We're talking 27,000 CPA, very high. Multiple mineral styles, ladies and gentlemen. Fully permitted, drill ready, winterized camp in place, positioned near Labrador uranium assets, other assets. The asymmetric trigger for this one drill program can reprice the entire company. Pure early trend torque, ladies and gentlemen, on this particular stock, on Saga. The early bird usually gets the worm, ladies and gentlemen. If you feel that this one is right for you, then definitely take a look at it. What about ATHA Energy, SASKF, and on the OTC, ATH on in Toronto? Multiple high grade discoveries, ladies and gentlemen, that rib corridor. All holes intersected uranium mineralization. Grades reported up to very high grades, ladies and gentlemen. Backed by 63 million in fresh financing, just recently got one of the largest exploration and land packages in Athabasca, northern Canada region. That was our first draw to them, is they had a huge land package, and there's got to be something out there. If everyone says there's a lot of uranium in this area, then they have a lot of uranium. They're positioned beside historic high grade zones at Antelope. Yeah. The asymmetric trigger for this one: ATHA is drilling into a corridor that keeps delivering new zones, stacked delivery before I turn this around, ladies and gentlemen, how to invest in uranium now is out there. Amazon, it's in all the bookstores. It's all over, ladies and gentlemen. This is one of the three books that you'll only need during this time, ladies and gentlemen, this bull market. Junior silver mining stocks ready to explode, possible 1,000% gains, ladies and gentlemen. These stocks in there, there's 16 stocks in there. Some are still under 50 cents. I think a couple were under 50 cents still, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you, you definitely want to get on board with these stocks. I'll leave a link for you. Also, there's baby knockout trading strategy. Oh, this is the strategy you're going to need for this particular bull run, ladies and gentlemen. It is going to be on. Our stocks are popping right now. Don't listen to the people that say, oh, well, this stock was, when it was 5 cents. Don't worry about it because it's $1 right now. It's on $1 on its way to $20. So there's still plenty of money to be made. Sure, the early birds did get the worms, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, when these stocks were 5 and 10 cents and 15 cents. Yeah, that was good. Oh, yeah, Mickey Dee. Okay, you hit it. Now, let's take it from here. From the dollar, the $2, the $5. Do we still have room? You got plenty of room, ladies and gentlemen. Plenty of room. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Some of you will be very, very surprised at what a well researched baby knockout will do for your portfolio, ladies and gentlemen. Watching a stock, a little stock, grow up and become, $2 and $5 and $10 and 20 and 30 and $50, and some of these stocks go much much higher, and we get them at a higher price. Past performance is not indicative of future performance, ladies and gentlemen, but I can say since the dot coms, this is what we've done. I'm not here to make you rich, but if you follow our baby knockouts, you can become comfortable. Comfortable. Not rich, ladies and gentlemen, comfortable. And that's what I try and give to all our baby knockout trading strategy members that trade and do what we do. We've done it for a long time. We're a small group, like I tell you, ladies and gentlemen. So, a couple of you by name, a couple guys in here. I'll single you out. Ned, excellent in Texas. Reg in uh, Illinois, that stock that you guys hit, we called it a carbon credit stock, a company. It went over to become a refinery company. Right now, with what's going on, and they may close the straits, and we may, have a little war, what have you, with not a little war. No war is little. It's a big war with, you know, we call it an oil war. But that refinery right now has crossed over. It crossed over this week. I didn't have a chance to get you guys a email out or anything. You two in particular, because I know you did very very well with that stock. So you may want to consider going back to the well again, because this little refiner, with what's going on in refining in the desert southwest, the western part of the United States, with California and the refineries and everything, and it's just right over there in Texas, and it's just $1 and some cents. Check it out. Check it out. I don't know if you guys have kept an eye on it, but I kept an eye on it. I wasn't able to hit you guys, but you guys did very well, and you're still early, because that thing may have teenager written on it this time, ladies and gentlemen. So you guys know, I'll put in a baby knockout newsletter. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, ladies and gentlemen. If you're at or near the Vegas area, you near the Money Show, what have you, just holla. I will definitely like to talk with you, especially you Hall of Fame members, and any of you baby knockout investors, ladies and gentlemen. Do your thing. Do your thing. Love you. God bless you. Take care of your family. If you're looking for strength, you're looking for energy, you're looking for guidance, look up, ladies and gentlemen, because that's where you're going to find it. Take care. God bless.